Okay, the Australian eHealth Research Centre is a leading national facility implementing ICT for eHealth solutions. In Western Australia, we're largely focused on ocular diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration, and in particular detecting these in remote and rural areas within Australia and also overseas in the developing world. And we also do some research into neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease and stroke. We're focused there on early detection and monitoring of these diseases. We collaborate with the McCusker Foundation for Alzheimer's Research and do some testing with the Australian Imaging of Biomarkers and Lifestyle project through which we recruit participants. We've developed an eye test for early detection of Alzheimer's disease approximately 15 to 20 years before diagnosis is usually possible. We use photographs of the retina at the back of the eye and accurate measurements of the blood vessels in the retina to determine changes that are happening in the brain in the early stages of the disease. Alzheimer's is a devastating disease, has huge impact on society and a huge cost to the community as well. Obviously impacts on the people who suffer from the disease and those that have to care for them. Around about 35 million people suffer from this disease worldwide, and the global cost is around about $600 billion, or 1% of gross domestic product. And unfortunately, due to medical advances, we have an ageing population, and that means that we have an oncoming epidemic of Alzheimer's disease. So without a cure or treatment, we're facing a pretty dire situation. The eye test that we've developed gives us a chance to pick up the disease early in a simple, non-invasive test that can be rolled out in the community, and hopefully this can lead to a window of time in early stages of the disease in which we can try and implement changes, develop drugs and have an impact on the progression of the disease. Well, it's a huge honour for the CSIRO and Australian eHealth Research Centre to receive this award in recognition of both the ICT excellence of the project and also the impact that it potentially can have on society. And hopefully it can also raise the group's profile and help to generate funding for future projects. Well, we've received interest from a Californian-based company called Neurovision to license the technology in an eye test in which they'll implement these algorithms in their eye scan device. So we plan to commercialise with that company. We're also working together with them to further develop the Alzheimer's detection side of the algorithms and also work on monitoring of some of the risk factors for Alzheimer's disease, which we can see through the eye, and those are changes that come about through hypertension and diabetes.